Gusto mo bang makatipid? Introduce ang Joy Charcoal Stove for your indoor cooking and outdoor grilling. Smokeless and no black carbon. No need to fan and use blower.
You can see we have 4 holes all around para any direction of the air that will be properly ventilated, you don't have to fan. No. We also have here the air control, no? To adjust the air intake, you don't have to use blower anymore. So place it inside, no? Tingnan nyo. Pag naka-open yan, tapat lahat ng butas. So because of oxygen, sa magandang daloy ng hangin, naka-high siya. So heat can be controlled. So adjustable na rin yan from medium to low. Pag sinarado mo, sarado na rin lahat ng butas. So hihina yung apoy, hihina yung supply ng hangin. So sa simula, open mo lang. Especially if you want to start your charcoal, no? It should be open.
Easy lighting. No intervention and consistent heat. Economical design for maximum heat efficiency. Heavy duty.
Hi guys! Meron ako ipakikita sa inyo ngayon. If you want to save, this is the most advanced smokeless charcoal stove, Filipino invention. Ang maganda dito, hindi lang siya pang indoor, also for outdoor, no? And this is where you place the charcoal on top. May mga gap yan, may mga butas para yung abo mahulog sa ilalim at yung hangin makapenetrate, makacirculate all around. So we apply the simple combustion principle. Lagay mo lang ng ganyang ayos. So this will be the output, no? Bakit nagiging smokeless? Kasi may proper intake ng air, walang suffocation. We have also the different sizes or different angular ring to augment the size of cooking utensil para mas efficient, mas effective, more faster in cooking hanggang pinakamalit na size. Anong purpose niyan? Para kung anong laki ng kaldero mo, makukuha mo yung sapat na init para hindi makte sa uling. Now, ang maganda pa dito, for example, maliit yung kalderong gagamitin mo, we have the diffuser. To adjust the air intake, you don't have to use blower anymore. Then at the same time, pag dinagay mo sa loob, you will see lumiit ang area. So, mas compact, mas matipid sa uling, mas mabilis ka makapagluto. Now, you can save 70%. So, paano tayo magpa-apoy? Yan ang kadalasan nagiging problema natin. That's why tinatamad tayo gumamit ng uling. Tama? So, ang ginagawa kasi natin dati, di ba binubuhusan pa natin ng gas or kerosene, which is nangangamoy, naglalasa, makonsumo, paypay ka ng paypay. Kaya tayo tinatamad gumamit. Pero by this time, you don't have to worry. Ito gawin mo. We reverse the process. We merge the charcoal into kerosene as your igniter or starter. But you are not going to use all of this, no? Yung gagamitin mo, isang piraso lang. 1 piece of this or 2 pieces will serve as your igniter or starter. Lagay mo sa gitna. And then, ang gawin mo dyan, combine it now with dry charcoal sa ilalim. Sa ibabaw ng nakababad. Tapos sindihan mo. Habang umaapoy yan, yung nakapatong na dry charcoal, sinusunog niya na pinababaga. After 3 minutes lang, no? Just only 3 minutes time. Pag natuyo ang gas niyan, yung nakapatong na uling sa ibabaw, together with that merged charcoal, babaga na. So you don't have to pan, provided control is open para sa pasok ng hangin. So ganun siya kasimple. Ganun siya kadali at kabilis gamitin. Without panning or using blower anymore. So natatanggal lahat ng parts nito. Actually, yung maganda pa dito, pwede mo hugasan sabunan eh. Hindi siya kinakalawang or nabubulok. No? Yun yung maganda sa kanya. Yung abo natin, all the residue, dito nagdi-deposit sa ilalim. So once you clean it, the following day, bago gamitin mo na, tinataktak or tinataob na lang. Pero by this time, we have the second option, we modify the product, meron na tayong ashtray. So it will not be messy, no? For example, nagluluto ka. You want to add charcoal for continuous cooking, naglalaga, bulalo. Hindi na sapat para makaluto. Huwag mo nang angatin yung kaldero para magdagdag ng uling sa ibabaw. So saan tayo nagre-refill? Yung maganda dito sa design na to, meron tayong tinatawag na charcoal chamber. So dito tayo nagre-refill ng charcoal. Open mo lang yan, open mo rin dito. Hulog mo lang magkabilaan yung charcoal na idadagdag mo for continuous cooking. And then, sarado mo lang ulit. Para yung focus ng init mo sa gitna pa rin, walang heat loss. Now, kung gusto mong pahinaan, for example, malakas na yung heat mo, regulate mo lang sa medium or sa low. No? So, controllable na yung apoy. Sa simula, buksan mo lang. Now, for example, tapos ka na magluto, may natitirang charcoal. You want to turn it off. Huwag mong bubuhusan ng tubig, mainit. Sudden changes of temperature is dangerous. Now, to be safe, takpan mo lang. Sarado mo. So now, we all believe in science. Kapag walang hangin, walang apoy, pusang namamatay. Now, for example, you are true in cooking. You want to grill. And this is not only designed for cooking, also for grilling. Yung maganda dito, pag kinanggal mo na itong top rings niya, we also have here the stainless griller, and this will be provided for free sa promotion. So, lagyan mo na ng ganyang ayos, compact na siya, hindi mag-slide. Maganda, hindi rin siya kinakalawang. So, safe ka po dito sa iihawin mo. No? May outing kayo, may outing, picnic, family gathering out of town, you want to bring this with you. This is also portable. No? You just put charcoal inside, so you don't have to carry your charcoal anymore. Takpan mo. Now, you bring your griller with you, so you don't have to wrench your griller anymore. We have the handle. Just put the handle here. Also portable. Very economical and easy to carry. No? Without stress, sa kamahalan ng gas ngayon, this is what we need right now, timely. No? Bakit ka pa mag-try or magsusubok ng iba? Meron naman tayo ditong advanced charcoal stove, smokeless na, maganda pa. No? You can save 70% without overspending your money. So, try this one, check this out. We are also available online. Or you can direct PM or call us. No? Thank you.